are the pups from the Red times Negrita inbred. I'm gonna be sharing with you. I'm gonna be sharing them with all of you now. But what we're doing today is with them is we're gonna be deworming them. They're 15 days old today, which we usually deworm at 2 weeks. So we're at day 8, but we're gonna get it done now. Okay. Little female, male. Look at this guy, male, female, and the 2 reds are males. This guy's a tank. All right, we'll start off with him first. This is 1 cc each. Just do it by 1, else you don't make a mistake. Put it 1 each. These pups right here are about 5 pounds. Maybe some might be 6, some might be a little bit under, but I'll just go 1 ml per 5 pounds. So the 5 pounds, they get 1 ml each. Now this is for let me get the name of the product. Hold on. This is with the NEMEX, okay? Each product is different, so read the instructions carefully. But this is what we're using today. And you can find this at your local feed store. If you can get the Panicure liquid, which always requires a vet prescription, that's the best. But if you can't get that, this is pretty good stuff. There is also other good stuff out there, so. Okay, who's left? Get him out the way right now. Okay, puppy? ¿Qué te pasa? Ay, Dios mío, quiero agüita. Ay, Dios mío, ay, Dios mío. All right. Oh, so another thing too is next week they'll get dewormed again. Next week, and then the week after that they'll get dewormed again, and then the week after that they'll get dewormed again, and then I believe they'll jump to 2 weeks. That's why I'm saying it's so important. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 times, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, and then after that it jumps to every 2 weeks for about 2 or 3 rounds, and then that's it. But like how I said, always read your instructions or your directions on whatever product you're using.